Hi, I'm Teacher Aminur from YMS EduTech Learning Hub. Inshallah, we help students improve by 2 grades in less than 3 months. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to determine whether to use sine rule or cosine rule in solving trigonometric problem. Let's see what we can do.
For both the cosine and sine rule, we can use them to find unknown angles and sides of a triangle. For cosine rule, if you like to find an angle, you will use it when you have 3 sides that are given or known. And you can find a side when 2 sides and the included angle are known. So included angle means the angle in between the 2 sides that are given. While for sine rule, you can find an angle when 2 sides and opposite angles are known, and find a side when 2 angles and an opposite side are known.
So the key is always to look out for a triangle with 3 sides or 2 sides with an included angle so that you can use cosine rule. If you do not have those kind of values, then you shall try to use sine rule. Now let's practice with some question. I want you to state which rule to be used to find the unknown angles or sides of these triangles. Now let's take a look at the first triangle. In this triangle, we are given 2 known sides, 6.4 and 4.2, and an included angle which is 25 degrees. Therefore, we will use cosine rule. Now for the second triangle, we have 2 angles and 1 side given. And one of the angle is with the opposite side, 12.3. Therefore, in this case, I can use sine rule. And now let's take a look at the next triangle. In this triangle, we have 3 known sides. And if you have 3 known sides, we can easily say that we can use cosine rule. And for the last triangle, we are given 2 sides and 1 angle. And this angle has an opposite side. And in this case, I will use sine rule. Now let's test ourselves. I want you to state the rule to be used to solve for the unknown sides or angles. And you have only 10 seconds for each diagram. Your time starts now.
The answer will be cosine rule because in this triangle, 3 sides are known. Cosine rule. Reason: 2 sides and 1 included angle, which is the angle in between the 2 lines are given. Sine rule because 2 sides and 1 opposite angle are given. Sine rule because 2 angles and 1 opposite side are given.
I hope you have found this video useful for you to determine which rule to be used for the different type of triangles. Parents, are you looking to help your child score in the upcoming O-Level Maths and Science Chemistry examination? If you are, well, good news. Backed by popular demand, we'll be conducting our 2 days O-Level Intensive Bootcamp for Maths and Chemistry this September holidays. Now this bootcamp will be our last bootcamp for the year, alright, and I do not want you to miss out on this opportunity. This 2 days bootcamp, we will cover algebra, where we learn how to solve word problems and equations that consist of about 20% of the entire O-Level examination. While in chemistry, we will be learning how to solve chemical equations and we will learn all the equations that your child needs to know in the O-level syllabus and curriculum. To register, click on the link below.